Welcome back to my channel. This is Waqas and you're watching Waqastech. In this short tutorial I am going to show you how to fix iOS 16.2 beta 2 update not showing on iPhone or iPad right now even its update. So without wasting any time, let's start video. Firstly, as you can see, this is my iPhone 13 Pro Max and check that update. You can see a person screen, open setting app, tap on general, tap on software update. It's showing iOS 16.1.1 but not showing latest iOS 16.2 beta 2 update on my iPhone right now. So how to get that update on my iPhone? Just close that and you need to open your Safari browser and search here beta.apple.com. This is official website of beta from Apple. You can see a person screen. You need to sign up. If you sign up first time, if you have any ID and you are already signed in, just sign in and download from here a beta profile iOS 16.2. Suppose I am showing that I am already signed and install that. Open iPhone setting. You can see a person screen, tap on general. Okay, after tapping that the general, tap on VPN and device management. Here you can see a person screen. It's showing iOS 16 beta software profile. Just tap on that. Okay, after tapping that you need to tap on install option, enter phone passcode. You can see a person screen. It's asking for a password. Okay, you need to tap on install option. After tapping the install option you need to again tap on install. You can see a person screen. It's asking restart required. Please restart your iPhone to apply changes. I'm selecting right now, not now. You need to tap on restart and restart your iPhone. Tap on done. Okay, now go back, open iPhone setting again and wait for a moment. You can see a person screen. It's showing right now iOS 16.2 developer beta 2 update in my iPhone right now. So friends, by doing that you can easily fix that your iPhone not showing iOS 16.2 developer beta on your iPhone or iPad. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. Thanks for watching.